Hello and welcome to this section where we will be implementing the Forgot My Password journey. In this brief lecture, we will do some groundwork to prepare our application for the Forgot My Password journey. We will write all code for this journey on a new feature branch. First, we can ensure that we are pointing at the develop branch with the git command git checkout develop. Then, we can create a new feature branch named Forgot Password with the git commands git checkout -b forgot password, git push -u origin forgot password. In order for us to test the forgot password journey, we need a mechanism to define the login and email details for the user that we create as startup. Currently, we are defining them in the DevOps body application class. However, since for this journey we need to send real emails and we haven't yet implemented the account creation journey, we would rather externalize the login and email information to a property file. Apart from not publishing our email address to the entire world and binding the application just to us, this approach will also allow us to change the password without having to make any changes to the code. We can apply what we have learned so far and externalize these details. We will start by declaring a common external property file in the @userhome/.devopsbody folder. We will call this file application-common.properties and we will add the following properties to it. Webmaster.username, to which we will assign the value admin. Webmaster.password, to which we will assign the value password, and webmaster email, to which we will assign our own email address. The properties in this file shall be available to the entire application. Therefore, the best place to load this file is in the application config class. Applying what we have learned so far, we can add a @property source annotation with the value $:userhome/$.devopsbody/application-common.properties. Next, we will inject these properties in the DevOps body application. We will define three instance variables: webmaster username, webmaster password, and webmaster email. Then, we will annotate each property with the @value annotation, to which we will assign the property names as values. At this point, we could change the user-utils createBasicUser method to accept also the password as argument. However, we would have to change all the clients of this method too, which is not something we want to do. It's much easier to set the password on the user object returned by this method, and that's what we'll do. First, we can get rid of the two local variables username and email and use the variables that we have just declared in the class instead. Then, on the object returned by user-utils createBasicUser, we can set the password from the variable that we have just declared. Since we are here, we can also change the user plan to be admin, as we are now deciding that as startup we will create a default admin user. Let's make sure that everything still works by running all our tests, which should go green. Now we can start the application and check whether we can log in with the user admin and password. Great, all is working fine. At this point, we can push our code and merge it to develop with the git commands git add *, git commit -m externalized webmaster login and email details, and git push. Then we can merge to develop with the git commands git checkout develop, git merge forgot password, and finally git push. In the next lecture, we will look at the Forgot My Password journey high-level overview and architecture. Thank you for your time, and I see you in the next lecture.